In this video, we are going to learn how to generate a System Accuracy Test, or SAT, in ACS. Before we get started, you will need to have finished the initial setup process for the equipment you are testing. Once that is done, use the main menu to navigate to the SAT creation page under Certifications. Equipment selection. In the Equipment section, use the drop-down menu to choose the location of the equipment being tested. Then, use the Equipment filter box to choose the equipment itself. Move on to the next section by clicking on 2, Environment. ACS will automatically save your progress as you move between sections. If you need to stop in the middle of a section, you can click the Save button at the top of the screen and access it later in the Active Services page. Environment. Type in the environment temperature and humidity in the corresponding manual fields. Use the toggle box to select Celsius or Fahrenheit. Setup. In the Setup section, type the desired set point into the default temperature manual field and select Celsius or Fahrenheit into the toggle box. Click the checkbox if the test was not completed today. If you click the box, an actual test date manual field will appear. You may type in the date manually, or click the calendar icon on the right side of the field to select the date. The default test instrument, standard, and default thermocouple boxes are filter fields. Options you choose will appear below the box. Only one option may be chosen for the test instrument and thermocouple fields. You may add as many standards as you wish to test to using the standard field. You may remove duplicate or unwanted standards by clicking the button with the trash icon. Finally, use the checkboxes under the Instruments section to select the instruments you would like to include in the SAT. Checking the box at the top of the table will select or deselect all instruments. Data. At the top of the Data section, you will see a tab for each instrument selected in the Setup section. You can switch between these tabs by clicking on them. The test instrument, thermocouple, and set point fields will be automatically filled out based on the default information uploaded in the Setup section. However, these can be customized for each instrument as necessary. You will need to fill in the board or channel number, indicated temperature reading, internal offset, and indicated test instrument reading fields. The time field will fill in automatically. The board number field is a drop-down menu, and the rest are manual fields. Once every field is filled out, you can move on to the Comments section. Comments. In the Comments section, you can type a comment in the Comment manual field, and click the Add button to have them generated on the cert. Multiple comments may be added. If you change your mind or notice a typo, you can use the Trash button to delete the comment. Results. At this point, ACS will automatically run the test and display a table containing the data and results. You can visit previous sections to make adjustments if anything is incorrect or missing. After the data has been verified, click the Submit button.